Whew. Well, today I'm super excited because I got a package right here, and this is going to change my editing for this channel. It's going to change what I shoot on with this A7 S3, and if you can't tell already by the title, I got an Apple M1 Pro, and I'm going to unbox it here today, and I'm super excited to start using this thing as soon as possible. What's up, guys? If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I run a channel that inspires other creators that your future is whatever you make it, and I do that through gear reviews, tutorials, and today, well, we're going over a gear review. I'm unboxing this brand new M1 Mac Pro, the 14-inch, so let's get right into this here. Whew. Classic Apple packaging. I mean, come on, really? This thing is just space gray, of course, because why not? I always get space gray these days. I'll be selling this 15-inch 2015 MacBook Pro. I'm going from a 15-inch to a 14. I just figured it's gonna be a little bit smaller, and I'm probably not gonna be able to tell a huge difference in screen real estate. But I really like the portability factor, and I'm gonna get an external monitor for my desk. So, little pull tab, just yeah. Apple, they always have nice touches, and man, am I super excited about this. We'll get to this in a sec. MagSafe is coming back, yo. Excited about that. I used to have a 13-inch MacBook Pro with the MagSafe, and it was awesome. So I'm really looking forward to having this MagSafe. The power brick. I didn't get the upgraded power brick. I don't know. I think the smaller one is perfectly fine. Like I said, I'm going for portability here. If I wanted to go for Speedy Gonzalez, then maybe I would have got the bigger one, but look at this, it's tiny. Alright. I mean, I do want to get the clicky going on. Oh, I can't do that yet. Alright. So much for that nice Apple Pay. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, and it is thicker, and it feels lighter than this thing. It probably is not, but man, I just love, even though it's like thicker, it has like this rounded, soft, like matte feel to it. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to, oh, look at that. And it opens up right when you, oh my goodness. Oh man. My other MacBook is actually updating right now, so that I can like do the crazy like move it like right next to each other or close to each other, and it'll move all the data over, because my desktop is a mess and I haven't yet wanted to back it up and all that stuff. Hello. Anyways, I'm gonna close this and wait for this to be done, and then we'll get, oh wait, before I do that, oh, the snappy snaps. Oh, that's, the magnets are just so, oh yeah, oh, just so satisfying. I gotta quickly interrupt this video for a second and kind of call out the sponsor of this video, and that is Shellda Art. Thank you so much for hooking me up with this product here. Sort of. I would not have been able to do it without you, so thank you so much. And guys, if you don't know who Shellda Art is, I'm going to leave links down in the description below. Go check him out. Go subscribe to him. He does pretty amazing content with art, and he's just a very outgoing, charismatic, like super energetic dude. So go check him out. Go subscribe to him. Thank you so much, Shellda Art. Really, I mean, I'm blown away that somebody would just hook a brother up like in this way. So I thank you so much for your support. All right, let's see what we got here. English, of course. All right. United States. Not now. Any day now. It must be running on battery power to know this. Oh, okay. Alright, fine. Oh, still so satisfying. Alright. Uh-huh. Come on, find my Mac. Oh, I guess I gotta turn this one on. Alright. Anybody? Migration assistant. Come on, find it. Come on. Alright. Oh, to another Mac. There we go. Oh, and it finally found it. Easy as that. All right, so I'm running this update here. It's as easy as that. You just open the migration tool on your old computer, turn on this new one. It looks like it's wanting to run an update now, so we're gonna let the updates run, do all that fun jazz. Once that's done, the update is done, it's gonna prompt me here and we'll be able to get the install going. It's supposed to transfer all the files from this computer, my old one, to this brand new 14-inch M1 Pro. Oh, so good. So I'll check back with you after this is all done and tell you how it ended up working. It should be that easy, and I'm super, super excited. But we'll see how this goes in a little bit. All right, it's the next morning, and finally it finished. So one thing you need to know is that you're gonna need quite a lot of time. It took, well, it kept estimating about 16 hours, but obviously it took around 7 to 8. So let's see what it looks like. All right, everything is done and moved over. Looks great. And it's really just that easy. I let it run overnight and it has everything on it that this one had. So now I can clean this one off, get it ready to sell, and I'm good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna be doing more videos on how like Sony stuff edits on the M1. I'm gonna be doing videos on just how the whole process of the M1 has been with various software, and how the speed really improved my workflow. So feel free to subscribe for more videos and like, and you guys do all the fun YouTubey things, and you know that I will see you in the future.